Hey guys, it's been a long time na wala akong upload because I am so busy. And now, today is September 8 and magfa-file tayo ng monthly withholding tax for August, which is 0619E. So, nandito na tayo sa EBR form and nilagay lang natin ang ating TIN number. So, once nalagi kayong nagpa-file dito, automatically mag-show up yung ating details. Then, dito sa list of BIR form, dito natin hahanapin yung form na kailangan natin i-file. Like, for example, 0619E. So, mag-isa lang naman yung form na to dito na 0619E. So, hindi na kayo mahihirapan. Unlike yung iba na may mga kapareho. Pero, just in case, dapat yung piliin nyo may 2018 kasi yun lagi yung updated. Okay, so, punta na tayo sa 0619E. Sasabi nyo nasa tamang form kayo kasi lalabas dyan yung mga list of form na na-file nyo na under that form. So, pag okay na, click lang natin yung fill up. Then, wait lang natin na mag-load at ayan na ang 0619E na form. Tapos, lagi nyo i-check yung date for the month of dapat August. Kaninang nakalagay July. So, i-change natin into August. And, due date niya, nag-automatic siya for September 10. And, ilagay lang natin yung tax withheld, yes. Private, and then the amount. The amount should be 5% of your rent. Like for example, 7,000 rent times 5% is 350. So ayan, 350 yung need kong bayaran, which is the monthly withholding amount. And validate lang natin. Once successful, it's all good. Pwede nyo nang i-save and submit final copy. So, pwede nyong i-review lahat sa taas para sure na wala kayong nakaligtaan. And submit final copy na, and then make sure na okay yung internet connection nyo and you have the valid email address. Ayan, submit successful na. Sa email nyo magsisend ng notification sa BIR for this filing. And of course, pag okay na, pwede nyong i-save to as your future reference just in case there are, sa BIR. And then, after that, magbayad na kayo sa akin kasi PayMay yung ginagamit ko. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching and bye-bye!